Hi, my holiday vacation begins. I gotta break one of the hashras. Let's see what I can do first. Oh look, a pretty flower. This is so very beautiful indeed for like vacation. Pretty neat. I like it a lot. I'm gonna take this flower back to Miss Kanroji. She'll love it very much. I want to take the rest of the day and relax some rest before vacation time ends. What a nice vacation, don't you think?